Hey everyone, welcome back to my video. So in this video, we are going to start looking at the Python variables and assignment. So what is a variable? What does it mean? It means that variables means that it comes from the vary. So that means it can be anything. Okay. So how can we uh, assign any variables to the Python programming language? How can we declare about the Python programming language? How can we declare about the variables in Python programming? For example, if we want to declare about my name, so my name is Aohei, so we can use name variable. We can assign the value out into the name, and then last name A. So we can print it out by using the function called print in Python. We can put it name, comma, and last name. Okay. So we just need to run in the code. So we have the our hey. So that means that we are assigning variables. Okay. That's it. It's very simple, right? Very simple. Okay. We don't need to worry about the type of the value. For example, let's say we want to assign 170 into the height variable, and what about the float value like 1.33 into the distance variable, and how about the date, like for example Sunday. Okay, so we no need to worry about the value when we assign it into the variable. And we can also reassign the variables. For example, in this here, right there, name is out. So when we put the name equal to Tommy right here, right now, when we print it out, the name becomes Tommy, not out anymore. Okay, because we are reassigning the variable right here. Reassigning variables. Okay, and we can also use the existing variables to the new variables. Why I want to say this. We'll create new variables for existing variable. All right. For example, we want to have the full name. Full name. We want to combine my name and last name. So right here, we will have the Tommy Hay. Not Ao Hay anymore. It's Tommy Hay because we have already reassigning variables, the name variables into Tommy, the value Tommy into the name variable. That's why right here, name becomes Tommy and last name is just A. It doesn't change. All right. And we can also print it out by full name right here. And we can also use like variable with the string. For example, full name is your instructor for this Python series. So what we have here is Tommy Hain is your instructor for this Python series. All right. Or if we want to have our Hain in here, yes, we can. We can run this again, and we can just use name and last name and run it again. So we will have our Hain again in here because the last rent variable is the how can we say that the last run variable is the most consistent one. So which what I want to say is, let's say if we want to run again this one, we will not have our Hey anymore, but we will have Tommy Hey right here. I hope you understand this variables and assignments in Python. So this is our Hey. I'm our Hey. So I want to see you again in the next video. So thank you for your attention. All right. Bye bye.